Hello my dear student, welcome back my online class from LPM Public School. Today we are going to solve the exercise of chapter number 1, the sentence. Okay, so let's start the video and we have lack of the time. First is mark whether these statement are true or false. Okay, mark whether these statement true or false. A sentence begins with a capital letter, it is true, then write T. Okay, the words in a sentence are arranged in the alphabetical order. The word in a sentence are arranged in a alphabetical order. It is not correct. The sentence is used as a randomly, so it will be false. Right? F. Okay. Next is a sentence always end with a full stop. No. The sentence. A sentence ends with a full stop, capital full stop, sign of exclamation, question mark, etc. Or so we can write here T for the F for the false. Okay. Next is a question is also a sentence. Yeah, it's true. When we ask a question, then the sentence will be interrogative sentence. A sentence can end in a full stop, a question mark, or a exclamation mark. So this statement is true. Then write T. The words in a sentence need not allow a logical logical order. Okay, logical order in a sentence, and it will be F. Why? Because the word in a sentence need logical order, not logical order. Okay, it is the false. Next is a sentence may or may not contain a verb. It is the false. The sentence always has a verb. And now come on next exercise. Exercise number A. Underline the subject in each of these sentences. So you can see, and I will be taught you in a video of the sentence that which is the part of the sentence will be subject. So you can see here the first part of the subject, first part of the sentence, it means Neil Armstrong, that was the noun word, it will be the subject. Okay, so underline the word Neil Armstrong. Next is my brother who is standing there is a science teacher. So you will underline the word my brother who is standing there. Okay, it is the subject of the sentence. Next is third, the boy and his mother. The boy and his mother are both the subject. Why? Because this referred as a noun word. Okay, fourth is my uncle. It is the subject part of the sentence and has bought a new scooter. It is the predicate. Okay, next is across the street. Across the street, it is the noun phrase. So you can write down across, underline the word across the street, it is the subjective part of the sentence. And next is Neetu and Shalini. Neetu and Shalini are the word is a word as a subject, so you will underline the word Neetu and Shalini. Next is they word is the pronoun word, so it will be subjective part. And next is who, as the subject is not missing, so you can underline the word who is a subject part of the sentence. And next is you is the subjective part of the sentence. And next is Akbar the Great. Okay, the Akbar the Great is the subjective part of the sentence. And was a visionary monarch is a predicate. Clear? Next is exercise number B. Identify the subject word and the attribute in each of the sentences. So you know about that the subject made by the noun and pronoun word, and rest of the word like a adjective, adverb, adverbial phrase, etc. or the another part of the subject that connected with the subject. So you will identify of the attribute of the subject. Attribute means a word that related to the adjective. So let's see here, the captain of the football team. it is the subject part, and the captain of the football, it is the attributive adjective. Okay, next is my father. My father is the subject of the sentence, and my is the attributive. The writer Ruskin Bond lives in Landor, Missouri. So you will see here Ruskin Bond is the noun word, and rest of the word the writer is the adjective attribute. Okay, attribute. So you will underline the whole part, the writer Ruskin Bond. Okay, next is the hot and humid weather is a affecting me. So you can underline the word hot and humid. Weather is the subjective part. In this part you can see hot and humid is a attributive part. Clear? Next is the priceless diamond of the queen is in the museum. So you can underline the word the priceless diamond of the queen. It is the subjective part of the sentence, and queen is the main part of the word. It means subjective part, and rest of the word will be attribute. Okay. 6 is the cunning wazir tricked the emperor. So you can underline the word the cunning wazir. It is the subjective part of the sentence, and wazir is the noun word, and rest of the word is attribute. Okay. Next is the leaping flames engulf the building. So you will underline the word the leaping flames. Okay, and flame is the noun words, and rest of the word will be attribute. Okay, so you will underline it. Next is printed notes will be available at the school office. So you will underline the word printed notes, and notes is a subjective part, and rest part will be attribute. It means printed will be attribute. Next is a girl carrying a basket of flowers. A girl carrying a basket of flower. It is the subjective part of the sentence, and flower is a noun word, and rest of the word will be attribute. Next is a confident man will always succeed. So you will underline the word is confident man. Man is the subjective part, it means noun part, and rest of the part it means a confident will be attribute of the sentence. Next is the patient man explain the problem. So man is the noun word, and the patient is the attribute. So but you will underline the whole word the patient man. Clear? Now next exercise, you can see here exercise number C. Rearrange each set of the jumbled word into a meaningful assertive sentences with proper punctuation and capitalization. Okay, so everyone know that when the sentence will be start, we can use the capital letter and use the full stop in end of the sentence. So you will pay attention on this matter. First, when you rewrite the sentence, and then you use the capital letter beginning of the sentence, and also put question mark, full stop, sign of exclamation according to the sense. But here is the, I think here is the assertive sentence, so no use of the question mark and interrogative mark, and exclamation mark. Only you will use here a full stop. Okay, first you arrange all the word after the reading. Here the sentence, this temperature here at unbearable outdoors, the time is of the. Okay, so you are arrange these group of word in a proper way. So you can see here, first you will search out the subject, which will be subject is we. Okay, you write in your copy we in the beginning of the sentence, and then use verb. As you can see here is the verb this temperature here at the unbearable outdoor of the time is. So at this time, first you write down here at this time, at this time. Okay, at this time of year, of the year. Okay, after writing this you will use the comma. Okay, use the comma and then write the temperature, the temperature each, then write each unbreathable, unbreathable outdoors. Okay, it is the arranging the sentence. First you write at this time of the year, comma, the temperature is unbreathable outdoors, and use the full stop in end of the sentence. Clear? Now next is, second is, on wildlife of can behavior television learn there a animal we habitats programs lot from can be can about. So you will write down here, first you write we. Okay, you search out the subject we, and after that you use the verb like a can. We can learn, we can learn, we can learn a lot about the behavior, a lot, a lot about the behavior, lot about the behavior. Okay, comma, habitats, habitats of animal from wildlife programs on the television. Okay, so you will write down here, we can learn a lot about the behavior, comma, habitats of animal from wildlife programs on the television. I hope you have to write this sentence as a rearrange in unscribble word. Third is, and reduced New Delhi Yamuna Expressway traveling between has the time Agra. So you will write down here, the Yamuna Expressway traveling between New Delhi and Agra has reduced the time. You can see here I have arranged the sentence as a below of the sentence, the Yamuna Expressway traveling between New Delhi and Agra has reduced the time. Clear? So you arrange the sentence. Next is fourth. Fourth is, regions increasing for number accident vehicle the of the one of each road is. It is unscribble word, so you will arrange this sentence according their meaning. The sentence will be, the increasing number of vehicles on the road is one of the reason for the increase in accidents. Okay, so you will arrange this sentence, these words, group of word in a proper way, and now you will write down it as a, the increasing number of vehicles on the road is one of the reasons for increasing in accident. Clear? And next is, and last, 5, cannot climate adjust the species to the change become which the. So you will arrange this sentence according to the sense of the sentence. The sentence will be, the species which can not adjust to climate change because become extinct. Okay, so write down the sentence according to the sentence. I hope you all understand this sentence, and in the next video I will take the second part of the this chapter exercise. Why? Because there is the long lengthy video. I hope everyone do it and solve the exercise and write down it in your CW copy and textbook. Okay, so thank you for the watching video. Best of luck and complete your works.